Hello, and welcome to Deltek Costpoint's Project's Year-End Closing Process for Budgets. By the end of this video, you will understand the procedures needed to enter project budget data in Costpoint. We will discuss the considerations for entering budgets in the Projects module and finish with closing remarks. Though the calendar year update does not directly affect the project side of Costpoint, it does contain important and necessary information for the accounts payable and people areas in Costpoint, and it is worth mentioning here. Please note that the dates used in this video may reflect previous or future years. Project budgets do not necessarily need to be entered yearly. Check with the appropriate personnel if you are unsure about the status of project budgets for your new fiscal year. There are 3 areas that may be used to enter project budget information. The areas in the project domain are budgeting and ETC and advanced project budgeting. The third option is in planning domain, previously known as budgeting and planning. The choice between budgeting and ETC and advanced project budgeting is available in Configure Project Settings screen. Once this is selected, it is not advised to change the setting. In this video, we will cover the budgeting and ETC and advanced project budgeting sections in the projects domain. We will start with the first budgeting option in the projects domain, budgeting and ETC. To select budgeting and ETC or validate that it is selected, you would need to go to Configure Project Settings. The Configure Project Settings screen determines which budget option one should use within the project's domain. In the project's domain, a choice must be made. It is here where one selects the budgeting and ETC or advanced budgeting modules. Either way, this screen will determine where project budget data should be entered if you choose to use the project's domain budgeting options. Once this is selected, you do not need to reselect it. It is not recommended to change this option once it has been selected. Should you need to change this, we recommend that you discuss your options and next steps with Costpoint Customer Success. In the Budgeting and ETC module, there are multiple screens that may be used. However, we will touch on just a couple. The first is Manage Project Total Budget. Here, project budgets are entered in total for each organization by account. There is no year in this screen. It reflects the total budget by project, organization, and account. We need to review the Project Budgets by Period screen. This option allows project budgets to be entered by period using the Manage Project Budgets by Period screen. Here, information is entered by project, organization, revision number, and fiscal year combination. If this budgeting option is used, be sure your budget has been entered for the new fiscal year. The second place to enter project budgeting information in the Projects domain is in the Advanced Project Budgeting area. Though there are multiple screens involved in entering project budget data in Advanced Project Budgeting, we will concentrate on one screen, the Manage Project Budgets and ETC screen. Here, using the various subtasks, the project budget data is entered and reflected on this screen. On the Info tab screen, important information concerning the type of burden and the multiplier information for revenue is given. This information controls your budget. The following subtasks are used to enter raw data for your budget: direct, labor, and units. The fee and indirect subtasks reflect the associated information for fee and indirects found in the direct and labor subtasks. The ETC subtask is used to manage the project budget ETC reporting and revenue calculation. If your projects are budgeted using advanced project budgeting, be sure to update your budgets for the new year. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions, Costpoint Customer Success is ready to assist. Call our Customer Success number at 877-457-7765. Thank you for attending this video on Deltek Costpoint's Projects Year-End Closing Process for Budgets.